Hey friends, I just wanted to show you how you can go live. So this is how you go live on Facebook. You'll start a new post and you'll see add to your post. You'll see create a room, photo, video, GIF, tag people, and then you'll want to click the three dots for more. You'll see a whole bunch of items that you can do, but I want us to click live video. So when you click live video, you'll have all these options. I usually just put in a title right here like, hey, hey, and then maybe an emoji. And then you'll see, I'm totally need to get ready today, but you'll see yourself on the camera, and then you'll click go live. So you don't need a video title. You'll want to make sure you know where you're posting it, and then you just click go live, and then you'll be able to go live on Facebook. So hopefully that helps. Okay, bye.